delicious overnight oats, ready to eat, absolutely healthy. This is only 250 calories, guys, and super healthy, full of nutrients and healthy fats. I tend to have this in the morning, which is now, with a side of tea. And for those of you who build muscle, there's creatine in here, and it dissolves better in hot water. Top tip. So yeah, have the breakfast, wash it down, good to go. Now let me show you how you make the same thing. Hello and welcome to Gabe in the Kitchen. Hiya. Today we're gonna.
Is that what you wanted?
You should see her face. She's like this. Let me show them what you would do. Anyway, guys,
I didn't know if you.
Welcome to Gabe in the Kitchen. Today we're gonna be doing a very quick breakfast, overnight oats. You've probably heard this recipe, and I'm just gonna show you what I do for mine. So yeah, ignore these grapes. These are for us, not for you. we have so whole rolled jumbo oats. I swear by this brand. Sainsbury's, get this brand. It soaks up really nicely. It's kind of like the difference between rice that's cooked properly versus mushy rice. This is rice that's cooked properly, and all the other brands, like this one, which I wasted my money on, is the mushy rice. If you do the same thing with this one, you'll just get like really slimy.
But it helps lower cholesterol.
It's terrible. Oats helps lower cholesterol. Oats is oats. But this is
Cholesterol.
too rolled, and the starch is just too much. We figured out the right brand of oats to use. We can start measuring what we need. So all you're going to need is some oats, some roasted coconut flakes, some cranberries, dried cranberries. These are from Amazon. You can just get yourself whichever brand you wish.
No added sugar.
And then some seeds. It's a mix. We've got a mix of flax seeds, almonds, Brazil nuts, walnuts, coenzyme Q10. Very good for you. And then here we've just got lactose-free semi-skimmed milk.
Because someone's lactose intolerant.
Correct. If you don't want to get lactose-free, it's too expensive, get the normal milk and buy yourself some lactase from Amazon. Just tablets, pop them in. Good to go. I'm not sure how you'd use... Yeah, pop them in before you eat it the next morning, because obviously, yeah. Cool. So...
How about sugar? Yep.
So I'm just going to start measuring out exactly what we need. We're going to use 60 grams of oats straight in there. If you want to get a top view, just top view.
Oh, is that better?
60 grams of oats.
No, we need to see if you get it bang on.
No, you can show them later. 60 grams is a lot. I usually do 30. I'm not going to lie. In fact, I'm not going to do
Why
60.
are you doubling everything?
I'm not going to do 60. It's just too much
That
for
means
me.
you got to tip some of the milk back.
Yeah.
There we go.
So
31.
About 30 is fine. Boo. Then we're going to use 10 grams of cranberries, if I can get it open. So
Top view.
straight in there. Whoops.
Oh, that one on the floor.
That was 30. That's 20 grams?
Yeah, about one of those things is 1 gram, so you need about 10 cranberries.
God damn. Yeah, normally, you can tell, guys, I don't normally measure this. I just chuck them in.
But
Jess
guess
is the
who
one.
does measure it?
Jess is the one who measures this.
Yep.
That's just way too many.
44, that's 14 grams, that's okay.
Right, this is supposed to be healthier as well, so I'm going to make sure it's, that's not a lot of cranberries.
Yeah, about 10.
I'm just going to tear that, and we're going to need 5 grams of sugar.
Which wasn't there before, was it? Oh, there's cranberries on the side.
I know, which should be about 1.
You can tell who doesn't measure his stuff.
5 grams, guys, come on.
That's 5 grams of sugar.
5 grams of coconut flakes.
Coconut going in.
That's 5 plus 8, 13, yes?
Yeah. He's not very good at this, is he? I'd give that a oh no, your flaxseed. Beep.
And then your lovely flaxseed. Again, you don't have to get this one. This is also from Amazon. You can get whichever one you have in Aldi. Aldi is a good place to look for these. You can just go straight flaxseed if you want. Get a mixture. It's up to you. Now, if we measure
Ta-da!
5 grams in there.
Okay, shall we see? Has Gabriel measured 5 grams? No. Oh.
And a bit more. These are all healthy fats that's very good for anything to do with your hormones, guys. So if you want a nice endocrine system, that's the right word, don't neglect your healthy fats.
Nope.
That's your avocados, your nuts, your seeds. Don't neglect them. And your olive oil. So this is our dry mix. I'm just gonna give it a quick toss, put it in our bowl like so.
He really could have measured it in that bowl, couldn't he?
I could have measured it in this bowl, but
yeah,
look,
that's what I do.
that's a lot of breakfast for me anyway. That's a lot of breakfast. If you want to double it, be my guest. But bear in mind, the total calories for this recipe is about 250 calories. We just did the maths. About 250 calories. So I'm going to place my bowl back on here, and then I'm going to tear it. And the milk, we're going to need 73 grams. So that's going to be half of what I've got in here. Yep.
What? Oh, 75.
And guys, this is exactly what you're looking for. Milk that's just on the surface level. Any more would be too much and it won't absorb properly, and you just have, it's okay to have more because you'll have the milk on the side, you can eat it, that's fine. If you have any less, then it's going to be dry.
Ooh.
So I'll just give it a stir to make sure the sugar is dissolved. And again, guys, this saves you buying a mason jar. You know, you see all these fancy ones on YouTube with mason jars, and they do it for five days in advance, and then they cover it, blah, 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 blah. No, there's no need for that. You can just do it in your cereal bowl, whatever you got. No need to go out and spend money on mason jars.
We're not bougie here.
Yeah. Put this in the fridge. Next morning, grab your bowl and just put your, just eat it. It'll take you, 5 minutes to eat. You're in a rush to get to work. Picture it, guys. You wake up, you're in a rush to get to work. You've got 10 minutes spare. You just want a quick, hearty breakfast that's going to fill you up. And it's healthy. There you go.
I can see bits around the side.
Get everything in.
Yep. There's an oat there. No? Yeah, you got him.
There you go, guys. That is overnight oats.
Yay.
Thank you for watching. If you like what you see, like more of this content, leave a comment. Like the video so we know to make more of it.
Bye.